In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply 2 by 2 matrices. So if A is equal to 3, 4, 2, 1, B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, that is, find AB. So AB is just 3, 4, 2, 1 by 2, 3, 5, 4. So to multiply, you just take that the rows multiply the column. So we're going to take the first one, that is 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5. And then we're going to take 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4. Then for the second one, we're going to take 2 times 2 plus 1 times 5. Then 2 times 3 plus 1 times 4. Okay, so this is 6 plus 20, and this is 9 plus 16. This is 4 plus 5, and this is 6 plus 4. So if you work this out, you're going to get this is 26, this is 25, this is 9, and this is 10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.